Okay, you see the screws? All the screws need to go.
Are you unscrewing that? Why are you unscrewing it?
Other way, so you do it opposite way, not the clockwise.
Now it's spinning. What? Why are you doing that?
She's gonna change the locker.
Change the lock.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, 2 more screws. Take the handle from both sides.
Ow.
Good job. And you see, and there's another part here. Here's another part that, yeah, just put it in, and then you will have to, now you'll have to screw them. Okay. Where's your screwdriver?
Done.
Okay, now the bottom one.
Done.
All right, just connect 2 pieces now. Here's the second one.
Okay, it's
There it
in.
goes. Okay, now you connect with this one, and then you will just screw this little screws in there. I can hold it for you. Okay, I'll hold it from here, and then you screw
What's the screws?
right there.
This one?
Yeah. Can you put a screw in?
Oh, what in either? I just need to twist it. I just pushed it in. I can't see it.
Okay, checking the work. Good job, Iris. It's locked now.